Imagine this, you get a green light from a client, maybe a new client, to start a fresh marketing campaign. It feels amazing, right? And you want to run headfirst into the action. But hold on, there's some prep work to do. Hi, I'm David from AgencyAnalytics, and let's go through the 4 must-have prep steps before you start your next client marketing campaign. Step 1, get your data integration set. Avoid scrambling for login details or manually pulling data from multiple platforms. Instead, log into AgencyAnalytics and head to integrations. There you'll find more than 80 different marketing platforms and channels to integrate with. As you can see, there's a range of integrations to choose from, whether it's GA4, Google Ads, AdRoll, social media channels, and more. Just follow a few easy prompts to get your client marketing data up and running. The best part? It's all coming into one place. Now that you have your data flowing in, it's time for step 2, researching your target KPIs. For this, leverage Ask AI, benchmarks, and forecasting. These are the insights tools you'll have at your disposal to develop realistic goals and get invaluable campaign advice. For example, say you're looking to increase conversions by 30% based upon the conversations you've had with your client. Ask AI will tell you if this target is feasible. In a few seconds, you'll receive feedback with data points to set those KPIs. Then go one step further with benchmarks, exploring what the median rate of conversions look like. You even see where your past campaigns sit within this range. Now, you're ready to plan for KPIs that are both fair and achievable. Plus, benchmarks give your clients hard numbers to see what's reasonable. Okay, you have your KPIs set. Time for step number 3, customizing your dashboards and reports. For example, instead of manually copying and pasting your data, use a comprehensive dashboard and start customizing it. Pull the metrics widgets you want and immediately start to see the data populate. Don't want to start from scratch? No problem. Use smart dashboards to build one in moments. Ready to turn that dashboard into a report in seconds? Head to the top and click Add to Report. Don't forget to customize even further with design, section summaries, or additional metrics that you want to add or remove. And there you go, dashboards and report templates to start fine-tuning and automate. With your dashboards and reports prepped, it's now time for the final step to prepare for your next client campaign. Establishing communication cadence. Ensure you and your client have an agreed upon reporting frequency from the get-go. For an added level of simplicity, make this process automated. Here, you have a few solutions at your fingertips. 1, present your dashboards data live in a meeting, or give your clients access to those dashboards. Additionally, take your curated report and schedule it for review before it gets sent to the client. And don't forget to take a look and see if your client has reviewed your report after sending it to them. There you have it, 4 steps that set you up for campaign success. Alignment and powerful client communication with the help of insights and automated reporting thanks to AgencyAnalytics. Ready to give it a try? Check the link in the description to explore AgencyAnalytics with a free trial today and start reporting smarter, not harder.